So now, let's play it. So now when the dragon touches the starfish, he looks burnt. It says, "You got me." Next, I'm going to put a little code in that makes my dragon and starfish start on opposite sides of the screen, so the starfish has a chance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the starfish. I'm going to bring him to the top left-hand corner right here, which, as you can see, is x -201, y 135. I'm going to come over to motion, and I'm going to, if you notice, it is the go to x and y right here is reflecting where he's at right now, so that's cool. So I'm just going to drag that out, and I'm going to bring in an event starter when green flag is checked. So basically, whenever the game starts, he's going to pop right up there. Now, the dragon is going to start down here. Same thing. Let's go to motion and go to, and notice it reflects where the dragon is at. X 182, X 182, Y -129, -129. That's kind of cool. Saves us a little work. Oh, I need an event. So now watch. I'll put them in the middle, but when I start it, it'll make them both go to their corners. And that's how it starts off. Okay, next let's give our project, our game, a little overall sound. So we're going to put this on the backdrop. So let's come over here, click on backdrop or the stage, and come over here next and click on the backdrops tab. And notice we have two backdrops. One of them is just the white one that came with the project. Let's get rid of that one. So we only have this one. Then we're going to click on code. We're going to bring out when green flag is clicked, we're going to bring out a forever block. And we're going to bring out a play sound pop. And we're going to have it wait. So let's go to, so we're going to bring out the wait 1 second block. But we want to choose something more random. So let's go to operators and let's bring out pick random 1 to 10. Let's change that from 10 to 4. So pick random 1 to 4, drag that in there. So instead of it doing every 1 second, it's going to do it randomly. And we'll put that right underneath sound, start sound. So when we play it, you hear a pop and it's random. Everywhere, anywhere from between 1 to 4 seconds. And that is tutorial number 3. So if you wanted to go full screen and play it. It would look like this. All right, good luck. See how you do.